Hello everyone. Way back in 1850, it was Sylvester. Actually, I told you நான் சொன்னேன் Mr. Cayleyன்னு ஒருத்தர் தான் வந்து mattresses develop பண்ணதுன்னு. But அதுக்கும் முன்னாடி there was Mr. Sylvester who coined the term matrix. But இதுக்கெல்லாம் முன்னாடியே they used a similar system which is called determinants. We use determinants now even today. That is why we have the first chapter determinants, because matrices varthukku munnadi they were using determinants to just solve equations. Linear equations நம்ம முன்னாடி படிச்சிருப்போம் இல்லையா? To find the values of the unknowns we form equations, and the equations சட்டுன்னு சால்வ் பண்றதுக்கு they used determinants. And the determinants அப்புறமா தான் they coined a term called matrix, and they developed matrices, and it was Mr. Cayley who developed and who found how to add, subtract, multiply and divide matrices. So with that note, I welcome you to this session of Engineering Mathematics 1, and this chapter is chapter 2, matrices today. So இன்னைக்கு நம்ம last classல minor வரைக்கும் பார்த்தோம். Minor of a matrix எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுன்னு பார்த்தோம். So அதிலேருந்து we'll continue. Okay, so just a recap, minor எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு I'll just tell you. So let us take first a 3 by 3 matrix. Actually minor of a matrix நம்ம ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும்போது it is always with a square matrix. Okay, you just take a square matrix. Square matrix வச்சு தான் நம்ம எல்லாமே இப்போ பார்க்க போறோம். Next பார்க்க போறது எல்லாமே it will be a square matrix. So 3 by 3 matrix. So let it be some number. I have filled rows and columns, rows, horizontal rows, vertical columns. So இதுதான் வந்து நம்மளோட 3 by 3 matrix we have constructed, and இதுல இருந்து நம்ம எப்படி we are going to calculate the minor of each and every element. Actually in the element, when I take 1, I have minor for this 1 by eliminating this row and this row and this column. 1 உடைய ரோவையும் காலமையும் விட்டுட்டு நம்ம என்ன செய்யணும், பாக்கி இருக்கிற elements எடுத்து எழுதணும். எப்பவுமே understand minor will be an order less than that of what is given. So higher order 3 by 3 இருக்குன்னா அதை விட order கம்மியா தான் இருக்கும் minorக்கு. So just 5, 8, 0 and 4 will be the minor, and இதனோட minor value எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுனா just multiply 5 into 4 minus 0 into 8. That is 20 minus 8 will give you 12. Okay, so this is minor for 1. அதே மாதிரி எல்லா elementsக்கும் we can find out. See, minus 1 பண்ணும்போது you just eliminate this column and this row. Just take 3, 8, 2 and 4. So என்னாகும் 3 into 4 minus 2 into 8. That is 12 minus 16. It will be minus 4. Okay, so it can be either plus or minus depending upon the answer you get. Okay, so அந்த மாதிரி எல்லாத்துக்குமே see, if you get find the value for 0, then eliminate the column and the row of 0, and then find out 1, 2, 3, 8 வருது இல்லையா? So 8, 1 into 8, 8 and 3 into 2, 6. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. So for each and every element நம்ம minor கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம். ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கும் we can find out the minor. So this is how we find minor of a matrix. Now next, with the minor, what we are going to do? So minor கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம், minor of the matrix நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். So அதை வச்சு நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? What we are going to do with minor of a matrix? There is another thing called cofactor of the matrix. Cofactor of the matrix is nothing but it is just the minor of the matrix along with the sign in front of it, sign of the element, sign of the corresponding element. Okay, what do you mean by sign na solren? So cofactor is nothing but just the minor of the matrix. Minor of the matrix நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் தெரிஞ்சது இல்லையா? ஸோ அதோட கூட நம்ம அந்த சைன் சேர்த்துக்கணும். ஒரு சைன் இருக்கு, அந்த each and every element has a sign of it. ஸோ அதை நம்ம சேர்த்துக்கணும். So how do we find the sign of each and every element? So அதுக்கு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்னா, I told you just generally elements in a matrix அது வந்து எப்படி represent பண்றோம், aij னு represent பண்றோம், where I is the number of rows and j number of column. Okay, I எப்பவுமே row தான் சொல்லும், j வந்து column சொல்லும். So இப்போ நம்ம எப்படி எழுதுறோம்னா a11 a12 a13 a21 a22 a23 a31 a32 a33. So if the one it shows you it is in the first row. The next one shows you it is in the first column. அதே மாதிரி the first row second column. This is first row third column. Second row first column. Second row second column. Second row third column. அதே மாதிரி third row first column. Third row second column. Third row and third column. So நம்ம name கொடுத்தாச்சு. இப்போ நேமுக்கும் சைனுக்கும் what is the connection between the name and the sign? இப்போ இதை வச்சு நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? I have named all the elements. So இதை வச்சு நான் sign எப்படி நான் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன் அப்படின்னா sign is given by the formula. See sign of element. இந்த இடத்துல sign of the element I replace the formula, that is minus 1 the whole power I plus j. So this is your formula for the sign in front of minor so that it becomes cofactor of matrix. So நான் எப்படி cofactor கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது அப்படின்னா see for எப்படி இந்த sign கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது அப்படின்னா see for example you have a11 இல்லையா இதோட position 11. So 1 plus 1 see add I plus j 1 plus 1 which becomes 2. So இந்த இடத்தினுடைய sign நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is minus 1 the whole square. So minus 1 the whole square என்னது minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So plus is the sign for this element. In the position la irukra element oda sign plus. Next a12 ku kandupidikum bodu 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 1 the whole cube is minus 1 because odd powers namakku theriyum odd powers minus 1 raised to odd power is minus 1 nu namakku theriyum. Adhe mari even powers irundhuchuna it will become plus 1 adu namakku theriyum. So this is minus. So in the position minus. So first plus paathatom in the position ku minus sign and idukku eppadi kandupidikanum 1 plus 3 that is 4, so it becomes plus 1. So idukku plus. Now if 2 1 every 2 plus 1 அப்படியே நம்ம let us do it mentally. So 2 plus 1 is 3, so minus 1 the whole cube is minus, so you have minus here. 2 plus 2 is 4, so that's an even power, so you have plus here. 2 plus 3 is 5, so minus and plus minus plus. நீங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா so you just have to alternate the signs. Plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus or plus minus plus minus plus minus எப்படி போனாலும் it will alternate. எந்த direction போனாலும் signs will alternate. அவ்வளவுதான். That is you have to start with plus. Plusல இருந்து ஆரம்பிங்க, just alternate the signs. அவ்வளவுதான். So those are the signs for the elements. அங்க இருக்கிற elements நுடைய sign. இது எல்லா type of matricesக்கும் இது பொருந்தும். எந்த type of அதாவது 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix or 4 by 4 எவ்வளோ extend பண்ணாலும் this will definitely match it. அதாவது just remember minus 1 whole power I plus j னு ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அந்த element உடைய position வச்சு you have to find out the signs. Or else just start with plus and alternate the signs. அவ்வளவுதான். Okay, இப்போ along with signs we have to find the minor and that will become the cofactor. So just for example I'll show you. Okay, so if this is a matrix, I am going to find out the cofactor for this matrix. So how will I find the cofactor of this matrix? Matrix is 1 nodaya cofactor. What is the? So I'll be writing it step by step. See cofactor of 1. First in the element. So let us do it directly. Na taniya I need not put it now taniya or matrix idhula endu idha eduthu taniya potu pannirukku vanna nama yerkanave we know how to find out illaya. So eliminating the row and column according to the element and we'll multiply the rest of this. Okay, so idiyo eliminate pannittu then what is this minus 18 minus 1 is clear. So minus what is minus 18 and this is 0, sorry 0, so minus 18 we get. இதனுடைய இந்த பொசிஷனுடைய சைன் என்ன சொன்னேன், if you are not I mean இதுவா தெரியல, if you don't know exactly just write it on the top. The signs only you just write it on the top so that you will be able to do without any mistakes. Okay, so cofactor of 1 is the sign is plus and the answer is minus 18. So the answer is minus 18. If at all you have minus of minus, it turns into plus. Otherwise, and the sign see 6 into minus 3 is minus 18. Idodia sign is plus, so it becomes minus 18. Now for my 2 cofactor of 2. Next is cofactor of 2 is equal to, see there is minus sign here, so put minus sign, eliminate the column and row. Now 3 into minus 3 is minus 9, 2 into 0, minus 2 into 0 is anyway 0, so you get minus 9 here. Here already minus is there, so minus into minus becomes plus. So that is where you need to be very careful. And that is minus into minus varumbodhu plus ah maathidunga, and that is thappu panna koodadhu. Next for cofactor of minus 1. See, cofactor of minus 1 node sign in it is plus. So eliminate the column and row. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 minus, see 3 minus minus 12. 2 into 6 is minus illaya. So minus of minus 12. In the element you multiply pannittu minus these two numbers. Okay. So minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. Now this becomes 3 plus 12, that is 15. Now the sign is plus, so it is plus 15. And again answer was because it is plus. Now next is cofactor of 3. How do we find cofactor of 3 here? So 3 na idayu eliminate pannittu. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. So minus 6 minus 1, minus 6 plus minus 1, it becomes minus 7, and 3 la sign vandu minus, so already minus irukku, adoda inda minus senduduna it becomes plus 7. I hope you understand now. உங்களுக்கு புரியுது எப்படி வந்து ஒரு step by step how do we find cofactor of all the elements னு புரிஞ்சது இல்லையா? So minor நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், along with it put the sign, அந்த சைனையும் சேர்த்து அதோட போடணும். So இப்போ next cofactor of 6. So I need to do for all the elements because I need to write the cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix னு ஒன்னு எழுதணும் because அத வெச்சு அடுத்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னு பார்க்கலாம். So cofactor of 6. Cofactor of 6 ங்கும்போது அதோட sign is plus. Now leave the column and row, just multiply 1 into minus 3 is minus 3, minus 3, minus of minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. So in the plus irukku, so plus into minus 5 is minus 5. Okay. Now next is cofactor of 0. Even though it is 0, we need to find cofactor of 0. See, idayu 1 into 1 is 1, minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. So 1 minus minus 4. So it becomes 1 plus 4, that is 5. Now cofactor of 0 oda sign vandu minus, so plus 5 is minus 5 ah maaridum. Okay. So now minus 2, cofactor of minus 2. So always do remember, இந்த நம்ம cofactor கண்டுபிடிக்கும்போது மேல இருக்கிற signs is sign வந்து they are all important. அந்த signs தான் important. Actually அந்த element ஓடைய cofactor, இப்போ minus 2 ஓட cofactor நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அந்த இடத்துல இந்த 2 க்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற minus உடைய value இல்லவே இல்லை. அதாவது when you find out cofactor, it is just neglected. இல்லைனா eliminated because அந்த full row-ஐயும் column-ஐயும் நம்ம eliminate பண்ணிடணும் along with the element. So அந்த minus 2 இந்த 2 க்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற sign எதுவுமே நம்ம கணக்குல எடுத்துக்கவே கூடாது. So minus 2 கண்டுபிடிக்கும்போது just leave the column and row. 2 into 0 is 0, minus 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. So now minus into minus plus 1 and idoda sign plus தான், so plus 6. Okay. Now next one is cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1. How do we find cofactor of 1? You just eliminate the column and row. This column and row. 1 into 0 is 0. Minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. So this becomes plus 3. But 1 oda sign is minus. So it becomes minus 3. You understand? Now the last element, cofactor of minus 3. So இப்போ எல்லாத்துக்கும் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். Cofactor of minus 3 is just eliminate column and row. 1 into 6 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So 0. Anyway, the plus minus la onnum illa, so 0 is. So we just, this is the original matrix, and we have found out the cofactors for each and every element இல்லையா. ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா cofactor matrix அப்படியே எடுத்து எழுதிக்கணும். ஸோ for writing cofactor matrix அதே தான் 1 உடையது -18 இல்லையா. ஸோ -18, next 2 உடையது +9 and then 15. அதுக்கப்புறமா next is for 3 இல்லையா. for 3 is 7, -5 and -5, 6, -3, 0. So this is your cofactor matrix for the original matrix. This original matrix lende we have found out the minor eppadi kandupidikano. Just 6 ipo 1 node minor na just leave the column and row. 6 into -3 is -18, -18, 0 is verum -18 da varum. In the -18 minor oda value -18 along with the sign. See, along with the sign -1 whole power 1 plus j, அதாவது இதுக்கு plus sign. So இதுக்கு plus ங்கிறதுனால already -18 இருக்கு. So plus into -18 is -18 தான் வருது. இந்த மாதிரி ஒன்னொன்னுத்துக்கும் we need to find, and we have we have got the cofactor matrix. Okay, do you understand? So இதுதான் வந்து cofactor matrix in பேர். Cofactor matrix is the minor of the matrix along with the sign of that element. அந்த element ஓட நம்பரோ அந்த element நோடைய sign, எலிமெண்ட்டுக்கு பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற அந்த சைனோ, it is not at all of consideration. அது நம்ம கன்சிடர் பண்ண தேவையே இல்லை. அதுக்கு பதிலாக தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம், இந்த சைன் எலிமெண்ட் நோடைய சைன் ஒன்று கண்டுபிடிச்சு அதை வந்து we join with this. Okay, so that becomes the cofactor matrix. Do you understand? இப்போ இந்த cofactor matrix கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா, so let us leave all these things. இந்த cofactor எல்லாம் நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Let us keep this cofactor matrix. அப்படியே we will have it because it is of importance. So this is the cofactor matrix, okay, of the origin of A ன்னு வெச்சுக்கோ. Cofactor matrix of A is this. இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம்னா we are going to see another type of matrix. So we are studying this. இதெல்லாமே it comes under types of matrix, and types of matrixல next type நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா, see, if you have 3, 6, 2, 5, 4, 9 இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு matrix இருக்கு. So what is the order of this matrix? There are 2 rows and 3 columns, isn't it? So 2 by 3 நான் எழுதிக்கிறேன். So இது வந்து we are studying under type of matrices. Okay, so இதை என்ன நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு what is this ன்னு பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா we'll apply the concept to cofactor matrix. Okay, so இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறோம் அப்படின்னா, whatever the elements are in rows, okay, so I am going to convert them into columns. Rowsல இருக்கிற elements நான் அப்படியே column மாத்த போறேன். அதே மாதிரி காலம்ல இருக்கிறது ரோஸ்க்கு அது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். நம்ம ரோஸ் வந்து காலம்ஸ்க்கு மாத்திட்டோம்னா then it gets automatically changed. See, 362 நான் என்ன பண்றேன், I change it to 362 as column. See, this row is converted into column here, and 549. See, automatically the column becomes row. 35 row amarichu. Yeah, 64 அதே மாதிரி it has become row. 29 it has become a row. Now the order also changes. See, how many rows are there? 3 rows and 2 columns. Isn't it? So what is this? The conversion of rows into columns. I have changed rows into columns. So what is this called? This is called the transpose. Transpose of a matrix is just change rows into columns or columns into rows. Anyway, both are same. So that is called transpose of a matrix. So do you understand? So transpose of a matrix means rows are changed into columns and columns are changed into rows. So the order also changes. Note that order also changes. Okay. So this is called transpose of a matrix. இப்போ இந்த transpose பத்தி நம்ம தெரிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா we are going to apply the same concept to the cofactor matrix. Okay, do you understand? Now apply the concept of transpose to the cofactor matrix. So ஒண்ணுனா நம்ம பார்ப்போம். First we saw minor, then we saw cofactor. What do you mean by cofactor? Along with the sign minor is called cofactor. And cofactor பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா we are going to transpose the cofactor matrix. Okay, so this is your cofactor matrix with 3 by 3. Square matrices எப்பவுமே what happens is even if you find out the transpose, the order remains same because whatever number of rows, the same number of columns are there, isn't it? So transpose பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா the order will not change, the order will remain same only for square matrices. Okay, so now now I am going to do the transpose of cofactor matrix. So cofactor matrix order of A. So அதோட transpose is how it is represented. If A is a matrix, A transpose is represented by A upon a T. T is written upon it. So a cofactor matrix order transpose we write it like this, cofactor matrix upon T. Now how do we write the cofactor matrix order transpose? Now 18, 9, 15 becomes the column, and 7 minus 5 becomes column, and 6 minus 3. So now this is also 3 by 3 matrix, isn't it? 3 rows and 3 columns, but what we have made? We have made rows to columns here. Okay, so the transpose of cofactor matrix. Now the transpose of cofactor matrix, what is it called? What is the transpose of cofactor matrix called? So this is called the adjoint or adjunct. This is called adjoint or adjunct of a matrix. So you have a wide range of types in matrices. Okay, so different types are. So you just need to understand them and remember them carefully. So once you are used to these types of matrices, நீங்க ஒவ்வொண்ணா நீங்க படிக்கும்போது automatically it will get into you and it will be very easy for you to understand matrices. Matrices இருக்கட்லே ரொம்ப ஈஸியான chapter. You can get it or grasp it very easily, so that இத வச்சு you can apply it to many other concepts. ரொம்ப நிறைய அடுத்தடுத்து வர chaptersல we can apply matrices and we can see how easy it is to solve problems using matrices. So first we need to understand the basics thoroughly. அதுக்கப்புறமா we will apply them actually wherever needed. So adjoint and adjunct of a matrix is transpose of cofactor matrix. So we have learned about cofactor matrix, and we have also learned about the transpose, and we have transposed cofactor matrix, and that is what we call adjoint or adjunct of a matrix. This is called adjugate of a matrix. So this is the adjoint. Usually we use adjoint as the name. So adjoint of a matrix edukku. Okay, what is the use of adjoint matrix? In the adjoint padichachu cofactor matrix kandupidichitom, minor and aduketa adoda elements oda sign adu vechu cofactor transpose, then we have found out adjoint. So idella endu what is the purpose of studying all these things illaya? So there has to be some need illaya. So adukku what we are going to do is we will stop with this adjoint oda nam adjoint kandupidichukoliya. So this is called adjoint, adj nu short ah eduvom. So adjoint of a oda we will stop with this. Next concept pathite, then we will come to adjoint. Okay, so first we will do with a simpler this about 2 by 2. Now I told you all the type of or we are going to do see types of matrices or concepts in matrices, or these all deal with the square matrices. Okay, so 2 by 2 simpler or 2 by 2 edukonoma. See 3, 2, minus 1 and 4. So let this be a matrix. Okay, so now we are going to find out what is called determinant. Now determinant oru pudusa onnu nama padikkom. So that is what constitute your first chapter adha determinants da. So and the determinant na enna abindrathu we are going to now study about this. So if I the determinant வந்து எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம் அப்படினா, this is very easy. This is just like minor நம்ம எப்படி கண்டுபிடிச்சோம் இல்லையா? So the same way we are going to find out the determinant also. So determinant for 2 by 2 matrix is very simple. So how do we find this? See 3 into 4 minus this. So 3 into 4, this one. First we'll start with left. In the first element length start பண்ணுவோம். 3 into 4 minus 2 into minus 1. So what is 12 minus 2? That is 12 plus 2. This becomes 14. So determinant of this matrix. So let this be, if this is A matrix, then determinant is written like this. Okay, determinant of A is equal to 14. Okay, we have found out the determinant of matrix to be 14. So now what is the difference between ninga kekla, what is the difference between a minor and determinant? Actually idukku vandu ninga if you ask minor to find out the minor for this matrix, it is something different. Okay, and the minor kundana procedure we are applying here to find the determinant for 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so if I need to find the minor for 2 by 2 matrix, now in the 3 by 3 matrix I have told you how to find the minor. So in 2 by 2 matrix let me minor kandupidikkano, just the same principle. Just if a 3 or a minor of 3 every kandupidikkano, just eliminate the column and row. What is left? 4. avladha, just 4 is your minor. அதே மாதிரி 2 க்கு இது எலிமினேட் பண்ணிட்டு you get -1. அதே போல 2 இதுக்கு பண்ணனும்னா -1 க்கு பண்ணனும்னா just eliminate the rows and columns and 2 it will be 2. For 4 இது eliminate பண்ணீங்கன்னா it will be 3. And for finding cofactor we have found all the minors இல்லையா, எல்லா எலிமெண்ட்ஸ் ஓட மைனஸ் கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம் இல்லையா. இப்போ cofactor கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு see plus minus plus minus I told you alternate the signs. So என்ன பண்ணனும், cofactorனா இதுக்கு பிளஸ் போடணும், இதுக்கு மைனஸ்ங்கிறதுனால மைனஸ் into minus will become plus. So இதுக்கு பிளஸ்ங்கிறதுனால இது பிளஸ் தான், இதுக்கு மைனஸ்ங்கிறதுனால this will become minus. So இத வந்து நான் அப்படியே write it, see 4 1 2 minus 3 and this will become the cofactor matrix of the given matrix. 2 by 2 matrix oda cofactor matrix. This is very easy to find out. 2 by 2 இது ரொம்ப ஈஸி நமக்கு கண்டுபிடிக்கிறதுக்கு. அதுக்கு அப்புறமா இந்த cofactor matrix உடைய transpose, if I make transpose, see இது வந்து 4 2 1 minus 3 னு மாறிடும். 4 1 becomes column and 2 3 2 minus 3 column ஆயிடும். So this will become the transpose of this cofactor matrix. Okay, so இது வரைக்கும் தான் நம்ம 3 by 3 matrix லயும் பார்த்துட்டோம், 2 by 3 matrix லயும் we have found out. And the extra thing what we have found out is determinant of A கண்டுபிடிச்சிட்டோம். 2 by 2 matrix ஓட determinant எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்ன்றது நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சிருச்சு இல்லையா. So இப்போ 2 by 2 matrix ஓட determinant கண்டுபிடிச்ச மாதிரி how do we find out the determinant of 3 by 3 matrix? So 3 by 3 matrix க்கும் தெரியணும் எப்படி டிட்டர்மினன்ட் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது இல்லையா. ஸோ அதை வச்சு தான் நம்ம மற்ற எவ்வளோ கொடுத்தாலும் வாட் எவர் மேபி தி ஆர்டர் 4 by 4 2 by 2 3 by 3 more than that. So we'll be able to extend our knowledge to as many as the number increases, as the order increases. Okay, so first we need to know 2 by 2 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கணும், next is 3 by 3 for 3 by 3. So that is the basic. So then we can extend our knowledge to as many matrices as possible. So next is see 3 1 minus 1. I keep it simple so that it won't take much time. 1 2 and minus 1. See this, actually this is matrix. நான் வந்து ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிருக்கேன். ஸோ இது வந்து மேட்ரிக்ஸ் சிம்பிள். I told you first day நான் சொன்னேன் brackets வந்து it has a greater significance here in matrix ஆனாலும் சரி determinant ஆனாலும் சரி brackets வந்து ரொம்ப ரொம்ப important. இந்த bracket நம்ம போட்டோம்னா this means it's a matrix. Okay, if I'm going to find the determinant of this, அதாவது determinant A கண்டுபிடிக்க போறேன்னா then I should put it like this, 3 1 minus 1 2 0 minus 2 1 2 minus 1. just அந்த bracket மட்டும் மாத்துறேனாலே it has a separate meaning, வேற ஒரு மீனிங் இருக்காது. So we are going to find out the determinant ன்னு அர்த்தம். அந்த இதோட determinant we are going to find out. Okay, so இப்போ determinant நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா என்ன செய்றோம் அப்படின்னா, so what we are going to do, just like we did for minor, but இங்க என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா along with the sign we should take the element also. cofactorக்கு என்ன பண்ணினோம், minor எடுத்தோம் plus அந்த elementோட sign we added இல்லையா. but இங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்னா we should take the element also. here இங்க தான் வந்து என்னன்னா the element அந்த பக்கத்துல இருக்கிற sign எல்லாம் it gets importance. So that we'll find out how do we do. But இங்க என்னன்னா we need not do for all the elements. எல்லா elementsக்கு பண்ணணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. either any one row or one column is sufficient. ஏதாவது ஒரு row ஏதாவது ஒரு column. it need not be the first row and first column தான் எடுக்கணும்னு ஒரு கட்டாயம் கிடையாது. it is not that we need to take only the first row and first column கிடையாது. we can take any row or any column, but only one row or one column. Okay, எல்லாத்தையும் எடுக்கணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை. you just expand through either first row or through first column, either second row or second column or third row third column, any one you need to expand through. Okay, so now I am taking the first row. Okay, 3 1 minus 1 1 2 எடுத்து I am expanding it according to it. So அதுவே it will give you the determinant value. Now the determinant, how do we find determinant is, first write the first element we know first element நோடைய sign plus இது minus plus இதையும் போட்டுக்கணும். Along with the sign with the element we need to take. Okay, so now plus 3 எடுத்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா eliminate the column and row. What is this? Multiply 0 0 minus 4. Okay, I'll write down, then we'll simplify. Then for this minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 2. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, and this is also minus 2. So minus of minus 2. Do you understand? The same minor what we did. Left to right we multiplied, minus left to right we multiplied. They are the same thing, but along with the elements and sign. Now this is plus and this is minus, so I get minus 1 here. Eliminate the column and row. You have 4 minus 0. Do you understand? Yes. Now let's simplify. 3 into minus it will become plus 4 minus 1. 2 minus into minus it becomes plus. So plus 2 minus 2 it becomes 0 minus 1 into 4. See, 12 minus 0 minus 4. So the determinant A is equal to 8. Okay, do you understand? So determinant of A is 8 now. So we have what we have? We have 8 here. So determinant நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. Okay, now we know how to find a determinant of a matrix, and we also know how to find determinant. Actually, wherever matrix எடுத்திருக்கேன், this is entirely, this matrix is different and that matrix is different, but just to tell you what is the procedure for finding out cofactor, adjoint and determinant, I have given you different examples. Okay, but ultimately what we are going to do is we are going to combine all the procedures and we are going to find one thing. So adukku the procedures I have explained you differently, but ஒரே ஒரு matrix கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க. அந்த matrix எடுத்துக்கிட்டு what we need to do is first we need to find the determinant. Okay, we need to find the determinant first. Determinant கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Then அதே matrix க்கு we should find the minor and the cofactor matrix. Minor கண்டுபிடிச்சு sign apply பண்ணினா it will become cofactor matrix. Then you need to transpose the cofactor matrix, then you will get the adjoint of A. Okay, so all these things you should do with a single matrix. ஒரு matrix கொடுத்திருப்பாங்க, அந்த matrix வச்சு you need to find out all these things. Okay, so இப்போ நம்ம பார்த்தாச்சு cofactor னா என்னன்னு தெரியும், adjoint னா என்னன்னு தெரியும், now determinant னாலும் நமக்கு என்னன்னு தெரியும் இல்லையா? So இது எல்லாத்தையும் வச்சுக்கிட்டு what we are going to do. So we have found out all these things. So after finding all these things, we are going to apply in what is called the inverse of a matrix. Okay, what is called inverse? Inverse, how to find inverse of a matrix? Inverse of a matrix nodaya formula 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay, you just remember the formula. When we do the algebra of matrices, we'll study how to add, subtract and multiply and all, and how to multiply, what is the result of multiplying a scalar number, that is a single number, a constant with the matrix. We'll do it when we see algebra of matrices. Okay, now just you remember inverse is equal to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So we know now how to find the adjoint of A. Isn't it? Cofactor matrix கண்டுபிடிச்சதுக்கு அப்புறமா அதை transpose பண்ணனும். அந்த transpose தான் adjoint of A. Okay, so adjoint of A divided by determinant of A ங்கிறது ஒரு just a number. How we found out determinant of A 8 ன்னு வந்தது இல்லையா? So அந்த 8 வந்து we need to divide each and every element. அது நம்ம we'll do algebra of matrices வரும்போது we'll see how ஒரு நம்பரை எப்படி உள்ள இருக்கிற எல்லா நம்பர்ஸோடையும் we'll divide or multiply என்னன்னு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். But just remember the formula for inverse, that is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Now in the inverse one, எப்போ it will exist now when determinant of A is not equal to 0. Why? Because when determinant of A becomes 0, what happens? It is undefined. Any number divided by 0 is undefined. So it should not be equal to 0. Only if determinant of A is not equal to 0, then inverse exists. If another question comes into your mind, but determinant of A is not equal to 0 na inverse irukku na solren illaya. When determinant of A becomes 0, what happens? So that will be our next question. You should ask questions. Only you will you will learn more. Okay, so questions e keklana teachers ku value illa, adu vera vishayam. But determinant of A is equal to 0 அப்படினா what happens is, then that matrix A or matrix la irundha thana we are finding out determinants. Then that matrix, if determinant of A becomes 0, and the given matrix ku na determinant kandupidikiren, eppadi enak 8 nu vandadhu illaya determinant. So if I get 0 as an answer, then that matrix A is called a singular matrix. What is it called? This is another type. Okay, so singular matrix, this is called singular matrix. Okay, you understand? So A is called a singular matrix. So inverse exists only for non-singular matrices. Okay, non-singular means determinant of A 0 va illada matrices. So those are called non-singular matrices. Do you understand? So adukku per da vandu, I mean, and the madri matrices which are non-singular matrix, and the mari matrices ku da we will be able to find out the inverse, whereas singular matrix where determinant 0 aha kodiya matrices ku we will not be able to find the inverse. Inverse doesn't exist. Okay, so that is what we need to know about inverse and determinants. Okay, and another property is there for inverse, that is rendu matrix irukku, we are multiplying both the matrices and finding the inverse for the product. Now so algebra of matrices la we'll see addition, subtraction, multiplication and all illiya. So appo we'll see how to multiply two matrices, and mari rendu matrix na multiply panni adunuடைய result, adunuடைய product ku if I take inverse, then that will be equal to B inverse into A inverse. So these things you keep in mind. Okay, so idella formulas madri you just keep in mind. Adhe mari A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. So idu namakku nalla therinja onnu, we can correlate with numerical values also. Eppadina 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 2 is equal to enna varum 1, which is called the multiplicative identity. Illiya na arambathiliye I told you identity means just like multiplicative identity. You multiply some number with 1, it gives you the same number, isn't it? Likewise 2, a number into its multiplicative inverse. So this is called inverse. 1 by 2 is multiplicative inverse, just the reciprocal of 2. So a number multiplied by the multiplicative inverse will give you multiplicative identity. Adhe madri a matrix when multiplied by its inverse will give you the identity matrix. So identity matrix nyabam irukka ungalku unit matrix, diagonal la 1 varum, full la 1 varum. So that matrix is called identity matrix. So when you multiply a matrix with its inverse, it will give you an identity matrix. Do you understand? So these are some of the properties of inverse we have learned today. So this is a very big concept in matrix, and which takes a very important role in matrices also. And using, I mean, this is a very key concept which you need to remember thoroughly, because this is a concept which you use in applications of matrices. It is very important you use it in application of matrices. So please do remember well. Now so what are the procedures, I mean, what are the different types of matrices we saw, and then procedures we follow kandupadikadukku, you just go through all the procedures. Okay, so and with this I end this class, and you have some other concept called rank of a matrix, which we'll see in the next class. Along with we'll start problems in the next class. Next class we'll start algebra of matrices. We'll see each and every problem in detail, and we'll also see important questions asked in the previous question paper regarding matrices, so that you will be able to identify maximum possible questions. Okay, so you'll be able to solve them easily also. So keep revising. Until then, it's bye from Anu. Thank you.